Happy Halloween! I'm Amy, and today I'm making a Halloween pizza. This is a really easy, fun, and cute treat to make for Halloween. Who could that be? Oh, hello! Come on in. It's my neighbor, the Phantom. You want to help me make this pizza? Okay, so let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and take a 12 to 14-inch pizza pan and spray it with nonstick cooking spray, and then set it aside. For this recipe, you will need 1 tube of refrigerated sugar cookie dough. Cut the sugar cookie dough into slices and place them onto your prepared pizza pan. Then press the slices together to seal them. Now bake this in the oven for 13 to 16 minutes or until golden brown. Then remove from oven and place it onto a wire rack to cool. Once your sugar cookie is completely cool, place 7 ounces of marshmallow cream into a microwave-safe cup or bowl. Heat this in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds to soften it. Then remove it from the microwave and stir it. Place it onto your sugar cookie and spread it out evenly. Next, sprinkle on a half a cup of candy corn. Then sprinkle on a half a cup of broken pretzel sticks. And finally, sprinkle on a half a cup of M&Ms. Now just cut it into slices to serve. And here it is. Halloween pizza. And you can easily change up this recipe. You could use peanut butter, melted chocolate, or even Nutella in place of the marshmallow cream. And you can also use different toppings. You could use toasted coconut, raisins, peanuts, or even broken up candy bars. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Would you like a slice of this pizza? No, not the whole pizza, just a slice. No, what are you doing? Give me that. Oh, no, you don't. And today I'm making a Halloween pizza. Oh! I'm Amy, and today I'm making... You want to help me make this pizza? Yes, you do. So let's get started. Oh, my voice cracked on it. No! What is he doing? What is he doing back there? 1 tube of refrigerated sugar cookie dough. Sugar cookie dough. Sugar cookie dough. Refrigerated sugar cookie dough. Oh, that's so hard to say. What? You for the rat. I don't know what I'm saying. Or even crunched up almond bars. What am I talking about? Hey, you want a slice of this? You want to taste it? No, not the whole thing. No, you did that wrong. Oh no, I gotta do that over. Then sprinkle on a half a cup of broken pretzel sticks. On a half a cup of broken pretzel sticks. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck to his head. Oh, no, you don't.